Looking to buy a property at auction using a hard money loan? If this is your first time doing this, you may want to watch this video. Before you put up a large non-refundable deposit to bid on a property at auction, make sure you ask yourself these 3 questions. Question number 1. How soon do you need to close on a property after you win it at auction? Some auctions require you to close within 24 hours of winning the bid, while other auctions allow you to have up to 15 days to close on a property that you win at an auction. Make sure you know what your deadline is before you bid at auction and if you can make that deadline, because if you can't make the deadline, you will lose your non-refundable deposit. Question number 2, can your hard money lender close by your deadline? Some hard money lenders are unable to perform and fund within 24 hours. Make sure you know if your hard money lender can perform by your deadline, otherwise you risk losing your deposit. Question number 3, do you have enough funds to close if you win the property? Some lenders will require a larger down payment on an auction property because they have to fund it in advance of seeing it in most cases. This is why a lot of hard money lenders will require between 15 to 20% down on an auction property purchase. Make sure you have all of the funds you need to close before you go into bid. And also make sure you know what your hard money lender's requirements are, including if they require loan fees to also be paid at the closing. Thinking of using a hard money loan to purchase a property at auction? Make sure you understand the hard money lender's requirements before you put up a non-refundable deposit to bid. This is Corey Dutton. I'm a private money lender, and if you liked this video, please like, share, subscribe. Thanks for watching.